Hello everyone, and today we are going to learn Kingdom Protista. Kingdom Protista. As we studied about Kingdom Monera, it was unicellular and prokaryotic. But this is unicellular and eukaryotic. Unicellular means single cell. So all the protistans are single cell. And eukaryotic, that means the cell is having two nucleuses found. Nucleus is surrounded by a membrane. Then if we talk about the nutrition in Protista, then Protista, like monerans, it is either autotrophic or heterotrophic. Few of the protistans shows autotrophic mode of nutrition. Mostly, we can say mostly protistans shows autotrophic, and few are heterotrophic. Now if we talk about cell wall, the protista which are showing autotrophic mode of nutrition, they might have cell wall is found. Few of them have not found, but most of the autotrophic protistans are having cell wall. And of course, rest of the protistans are not having cell wall. Then these are mostly aquatic. That means these are mostly found in the water bodies. Okay. Now next is, it forms a link with other kingdoms. If we talk about kingdom Protista, kingdom came into existence because few of the organisms were having plant-like characteristics, few of the organisms were having animal-like characteristics, and it was a challenge for the biologists to keep those organisms whether in the kingdom Plantae or kingdom Animalia. So the third kingdom, that is kingdom Protista, came into existence to keep the organism which are plant-like or animal-like, means few characteristics similar to plant, few characteristics of that particular organism similar to animal. So finally Protista आया ये plant और animal से similarity वाले organism को रखने के लिए. So it forms a link with other kingdoms. That means it is having a connection with kingdom Plantae, it is having a connection with kingdom Animalia and fungi as well. Okay. Now next, movement. Protista shows movement. It basically moves with the help of flagella, cilia or pseudopodia. Few of the Protista is having flagella, few are having cilia, and few are having pseudopodia. Then reproduction. Mode of reproduction is both sexual as well as asexual. Sexual reproduction takes place by binary fission, and asexual reproduction, there is a change. Wait, there is a change. Sexual reproduction takes place by cell fusion and zygote formation. How sexual reproduction takes place? By the cell fusion or zygote formation, and asexual reproduction takes place by binary fission. It takes place by binary fission. Okay. Now the Protista which are autotrophic, and we can say those are plant-like. So autotrophic plant-like Protistas are called Protistan algae, or you can say Protistan algae comes under autotrophic plant-like organism. And heterotrophic animal-like protistans includes protozoans. So protozoans are the Protista which are heterotrophic animal-like. Clear? Now next are decomposers. Fungi-like. There are few Protista which are decomposers and like to fungi. Those are basically slime molds. So these are the basic characteristics, things, examples which we have studied about Protista. Then in the next video we will study about the classification of kingdom Protista.